Good afternoon. My name is Bailey Hensley, and this is my mini assignment 3, one of the videos that I'm going to be uploading here. So the first resource that I wanted to talk about was the Phet, Colorado simulations. So actually, I think I got the name incorrectly incorrect on this. I think it's just Phet Interactive Simulations, but the URL says Colorado, so that's why I had that in there. So I'm going to do a little bit of back and forth here on a couple documents to explain what I'm looking at, but Phet Colorado is basically a web-based simulation website, and it works with all browsers, can be accessed from any computer, iPad, tablet, or smartphone. It is a free resource available to students and teachers. That includes simulations great for virtual labs, physics, chemistry, math, earth science, biology, all of those things, so all the sciences. And then the site claims to serve over 1.1 billion simulations. So just to kind of walk you through the site a little bit, basically here are all of the science content areas that you can choose from. And when you click on these, it will take you to different simulations that you can do. So like the greenhouse effect, if you're wanting to teach about that, you can go in here and it will show you different simulations. So you've got the sunlight coming down. I guess we can see how the temperature is heating up as it radiates heat backward. The clouds are pushing it back out, and the temperature continues to rise. The surface temperature continues to rise. The energy balance is off, you can see. We've got more energy coming in than out, and that's due to a high greenhouse gas concentration. If we lower to where there's no greenhouse gas, we can see that the energy coming in versus going out is relatively the same. It keeps the temperature pretty balanced. So this is just one simulation that you can choose from. I chose this particular resource because I've used it in the past before and found it to be a great resource for incorporating blended learning. So we're using those technology tools, teaching students how to properly use that and understand what's available to them, digital literacy, all of those good things. So they can just gain some experience without maybe about broader concepts that might be difficult for them to do. So like solar system stuff, DNA, atomic bonding, all of those things that are kind of complex concepts that might be difficult to grasp. That's why I chose this. And my underlying purpose with using this is to offer students diverse learning opportunities. So this program is research-based. It's designed to engage students through an intuitive, game-like environment, and they learn through exploration and discovery. So it's a great way to incorporate that game-based learning and technology in the classroom by giving students a chance to explore concepts in different ways. This tool also includes teacher resources, so you can get worksheets, printables, things to pass out to students, and it's also great for building upon concepts or introducing new concepts. Target audience obviously is going to be the students, but because they'll be the ones that are mainly working through this. And then my ISTE standards for each resource. So I have collaborate with educators to develop authentic, active learning experiences. So this is the educational leadership, and using online simulations and learning more about them allows us to collaborate and develop these active learning experiences that foster student agency and deepen their understanding of the content. And then also for students to build their knowledge by exploring real-world issues and problems through this interactive simulation. So I want to thank you for, I'm so bad at these. I want to thank you for listening, and hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thanks.